Question 1 of this exercise says, find the area of the shaded region in figure if PQ equal 24 centimeter, PR equals 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. So to find the area of the shaded region, as we can see that RQ is the diameter of the circle. So if RQ is the diameter of the circle, which means this is a semicircle. So we can find the area of the semicircle and we can find the area of the triangle RQP, and then we can subtract them. We will get the area of the shaded region. As RQ is the diameter of the circle, so angle P is 90 degree. So if angle P is 90 degree, we can use Pythagoras theorem. We have the length of RP, we have the length of PQ, we can find the length of RQ. So on using Pythagoras theorem, we will get RQ square that equals to RP square plus PQ square. We know the length of RP, that is 7 centimeters, so it will be 7 square plus we know the length of PQ, that is 24, so it will be 24 square, and on adding them we will get 625. So from here we will get the length of RQ, that is the square root of 625, which is same as 25 centimeter. So we have got the length of RQ, that is basically the diameter of the circle. So we'll get the radius, that is 25 divided by 2 centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of the semicircle. We know that it is 1 by 2 pi r square. So it is 1 by 2. We'll take the value of pi as 22 by 7 and the radius we know that is 25 divided by 2 whole square. And on solving this, we'll get the area of the semicircle as 6875 divided by 28 square centimeter. So we have got the area of semicircle. Let's name it as AS. Now let's find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height, which is half into PQ into PR. We know the length of PQ and PR, so it will be half into 7 into 24. And on solving this, we'll get the area of triangle as 84 square centimeter. Now on subtracting the area of triangle from the area of semicircle, we'll get the area of the shaded region. So it will be 6875 divided by 28 minus 84. And on solving this, we'll get the shaded area as 4523 divided by 28 square centimeter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.